Hi there! Today we're going to talk about something special. But before we start, let's imagine that you have a wine shop. So, you have picked a careful collection of wines, know exactly how each should be savoured, and which delicacies complement the specific flavours best. But how can you bottle up all this valuable knowledge and share it with your customers in one neat package? Send it, of course. Now, you can design the whole experience for your customers by offering them a subscription service, where you send them a selection of bottles every month. Along with your suggestions and tips on how to taste specific kinds of wine, let's see how it works. So, here at Packhelp Lab, the team has developed 3 different kinds of subscription boxes. Let's take a look at the first option. Bottle goes here, like this. The whole construction is designed to safely transport fragile products, like a wine bottle in this case. You can customize it by adding your design on the sides of the box, choose finishes, and even request different structural features, depending on your project. And of course, the main value is that the cardboard is made from a mix of recycled and sustainably sourced materials, making the whole box 100% recyclable. Now for the second option. Slightly modified construction, but like the first one, it will deliver your carefully selected wine bottles safely to your customer. You can include the FCS logo or eco badges directly into design of the packaging, so your customers will know that they're buying from an eco-conscious brand. And the last one. As you can see, all the elements, including the inserts, are made from cardboard. To make the whole experience more exciting for your customers, you can add bespoke cards with tasting notes, complimentary recipes, and backstory of the specific wine included in the box. Plus, we can't forget that a subscription also makes for the perfect gift, so maybe include a little note to remind your customer that they too can share the experience with their friends and family as a gift. If you have any special needs regarding your subscription boxes, reach out to the team at Packhelp Lab and they'll be able to develop something specifically for you. I've put the link in below just in case. Feel free to share pictures of your packaging on Instagram with #Packhelp. Cheers!